In this tutorial, I'll show you how to paper trade futures with TradingView. By the end, you'll be connected to TradingView's paper trading account, find futures contracts, place buy and sell orders with take profit and stop loss, track your results, and configure your simulated account settings. First, open the Trading panel. Move to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading panel tab to expand it. In the list of brokers, select Paper Trading, then click Connect. Watch for the status to change to Connected in the panel. You're now linked to a simulated account, so everything you do here is risk-free. Next, choose the futures contract you want to trade. Go to the top of the chart and open Symbol Search. In the search window, switch to the Futures tab so the results only show futures. Type the contract name or code you want. Then click the symbol to load it on the chart. The chart updates to the selected futures contract, and you're ready to place a paper trade. Now, place a trade. Look to the right side of the chart for the buy and sell buttons. Click buy to open a long position, or click sell to open a short position. This opens the order panel. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the chart at your desired price level and select Create New Order. That opens the same order panel with the price pre-filled. In the panel, review your order type and quantity. Choose Market if you want instant execution at the current price, or choose Limit if you want to set a specific price. Confirm your quantity in Contracts. When everything looks correct, click Buy or Sell in the panel to submit the order. You'll see a confirmation and the order or position will appear in the Trading panel. From here, manage risk by setting a take profit and a stop loss in the order panel. In the panel, enable take profit and enter the price where you want to capture gains. Then enable stop loss and enter the price where you want to limit losses. You can enter the exact price or adjust the distance using the fields provided. Double-check the direction. Take profit should be above current price for longs and below for shorts, and the stop loss should be on the opposite side. Once that's done, click Modify or Submit to apply these risk controls to the order or position. You should now see take profit and stop loss levels on the chart and listed alongside your position in the panel. At this point, track your results in the Trading panel. Click the Positions tab to monitor open positions, including entry price, unrealized profit and loss, and attach take profit or stop loss levels. Click the Orders tab to see working, filled, and cancelled orders. Use this to verify whether a limit order is still pending or has executed. Your account balance and equity update as orders fill and positions move. If you close a position, check the History section to review closed trades and realized P&L. Finally, configure your paper trading settings. In the Trading panel, click the gear icon to open the paper trading settings. Here you can reset your account balance to start fresh, adjust commission settings to simulate realistic costs, and configure trading preferences such as order confirmations. If you choose Reset, confirm the amount you want. This only affects your paper trading account and does not impact any real funds. Apply your commission settings so your results reflect the fees you expect in live trading and save your preferences. Your paper trading setup is now complete. You're connected to paper trading, you can find futures contracts, place and manage orders with take profit and stop loss, and you know where to track results and adjust settings. Everything is ready and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.